Alright, this is how my bicycle project has started. I had a Trike and got it from a neighbor, and it was a OCC chopper Trike. Very hard to see anything in here, but the axle was bent on it. So I found a matching axle on eBay. And what am I getting myself into? Okay, so there's the front end. The crank, I repainted it black because they'd painted it green. It's got 2 wide chopper wheels on the back, a funky set of ape hangers. And today I took the frame, I broke it all down this weekend, and I took the frame over to get powder coated red. I tried to spray paint it myself and it turned out horrible, so I'm just going to get it powder coated. And then the original like fender framework that was around those wheels, I took that also to get powder coated red. So I guess this is how projects start. You just start from somewhere. Now I'm going on YouTube and I'm seeing bikes with stereo systems and all kinds of stuff. This thing could spin out of control, people.